Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to unbox a multi-plug with USB port. There are 6 USB ports and 3 sockets in this multi-plug. Let's see what's inside it.
Unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure.
So this is the main thing I am looking for. Wow, looks good, small and compact, but weight is too heavy. By the way, the brand of this multiplug is LDNIO and model number is LDNIO SC3604. I have to charge multiple devices at the same time. That's why I purchased this multiplug, and I have seen some positive review on YouTube about this multiplug. That's why I purchased it. Company claims that USB ports have fast charging capability, but I think it should be practical, and after using it I can tell you about its fast charging capability. Here written some information on the right side of the box. 6x USB, 3x socket combo, 750 degrees Celsius high flame. It's have overload protection capability and also have the power on off switch. On the back side there have more information. Rated current 10 ampere, rated voltage 250 volt, rated power 2500 watt, USB output DC volt, 3.5 ampere auto max, 17 watt output port, 3x socket combo, and 6 USB. Product size and power cord 200 cm. Let's see the product, how it is. Packaging is good enough, and this is the main thing. Very good packaging, I have to say. This multiplug can take overload so that you can charge your devices without any risk. And the cable quality of this multiplug is very good. This is the identity card of LDNIO, and by this card you can ensure that this product is fake or original. There are many fake products on market, so before purchasing it, please ensure that this is real product. Amazing, really amazing friends. You can charge your device at the same time with 6 USB port and 3 socket. Here is the on off switch, made by ABS plastic, and plastic quality is very good. Nothing to say about the build quality of this multiplug. This is original multiplug of LDNIO. Here is the input plug. This plug can take overload so that you can charge your devices without any kind of risk. cable length of this device is 2 meter, and nothing to say about the quality of this plug. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.